Welcome to this lecture in the course. Here, I want to highlight the types of wallets you should be using to store Ether safely. This is particularly important when it comes to larger amounts of Ether that you accumulate. Let me just clear up one thing before I give some examples of wallets. So, regardless of which wallet you plan to use, your Ether is on the blockchain. It's just a matter of whether the wallet you use allows you to prove ownership of your Ether. Hence, it comes down to whether the wallet in question enables you to have access to your private key. I'll run through two examples of wallets now. One which allows you access to your private key, hence being able to prove ownership of your Ether. Then another which doesn't allow access. First, let me highlight a wallet which doesn't let you have access to your private key, Coinbase. As you should be aware, this is a private company and they hold your Ether as well as your private keys. They have their own account upon the blockchain with all their users' funds within it. Then you're simply granted with a username and password to access them on their server. Of course, many use this due to the simplicity involved. However, remember, if they get hacked and all that Ether goes, you've lost your Ether. You don't have control here. With wallets like this, they're essentially IOUs. Let's switch over now and highlight a wallet which does let you control your private keys, Mist. In fact, Mist is what we refer to as a full node wallet. In essence, this means it will allow you to store the blockchain on your computer, hence becoming ever more involved in the ecosystem. The benefits of running a full node such as Mist is that you remove an external provider between you and the blockchain. Therefore, you can see, verify, and interact with the blockchain directly. Naturally, running a full node such as Mist consumes a bit of resources. Hence, you need to ensure you have enough capacity on your machine to do this beforehand. Just so you're aware, Mist has two versions for Ethereum. One, the wallet. Two, the dApp browser. Of course, the wallet is used to store, send and receive Ether. I want to make it clear that you don't need to download a full node wallet to have access to your private keys. There are wallets out there which are more lightweight, such as Exodus. These wallets allow you to store your Ether as well as other cryptocurrencies without downloading the blockchain, but still getting access to your private keys to prove ownership.